Not with you. Bye video. Bye bye.
It's Empire. It's Empire.
Hey guys, it is Views from Riah, and today I'm here with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys what you can do with your Marley twists. These are my new twists, trying something new. I'm really loving this color. By the way, this color is T427. It's Jamaican braid, and it comes in like a yellow pack. I can place a picture right here, I don't know, or just I'll put it in the description box below. But yeah, so just stay tuned for all the different on-the-go styles that you guys can do with your Marley twist. Shout out to Jaelyn, because she just did your girl's edges with this right here. Yeah, I don't really know anything about edges, but yeah, she did them. So let's just get started with these Marley twists. Shout out to Chalet. That is my hairstylist. She does all my braids and my twists, so just stay tuned. Yeah, so let's get right into these styles. So you guys know you can get your middle part and just put it like that. So you guys will just pull like two rows to the side, and then let it just follow the part that your hairstylist did, and then, you know, just rock it to the side like this. So here's another style that you guys can do. So literally what I did, just take maybe like 3 or 4 pieces on this side, and take like the bang part right here. Oh, tattoo gang. Okay, sorry. Just take the bang right here, and then tie it in the back with a little ponytail, or you can, I guess you could tie it too. Yeah, grab your ponytail and so that style right there was a Rapunzel braid bag. Shout out to Jaelyn for that name.
Period.
But you could also twist it back if you wanted to, but you know, go ahead and try that and let me know how it is. Next style. All to one side. Stop playing with her. You can bring it to this side also. They get it.
They get the point.
All right. Should I do the bun from here or no? Can I do the bun with this or no?
Oh, if you want to do the high up bun, I mean half up, half down.
Yeah, that. There are 2 ways that you guys can do this half up, half down look. So yeah, and I have Jaelyn here with to help me assist in my bun and my other styles.
Okay guys, so we split it up into 2. This is so that we can do a bun. This is also so that Riah can learn like how to do it if she's on the go and moving fast. So you would do the first side on the right, keep it like a donut, and you keep that other side, the left side, up. But you're still wrapping the donut. So it's like the bottom part of the donut. Then where it's like kind of small, like this side is a heavier side, you bring that left part back around.
cinnamon roll.
So yeah, that's if you wanted like a very full like Egyptian style bun. So the other one is like something a little less, even see now I can still circle it. But the other method is the same way, but you're just using all of the hair, but you're going tightly around. This is making it a little bit smaller. So you're keeping it tight and concise, but you're wrapping it like it was already circulated, like that. But this is if you want, you know how girls be doing the pointy buns.
I get you, I get you.
Or people do those where they got 2 circles on it.
The 2 buns? I've seen styles like that. Let's see if we can do it.
And so all that excess hair, you can make it either go higher up, like she could have one that's like very tight, or it could be a little skinny bun. And use that extra hair to wrap it around, especially because she has 2 different colors. That extra color could be right there.
Yes, let me do a close up for you guys. Yes.
Period.
Y'all, if you guys can't tell, I am loving this color. Come through, T427. Yes, yes. All right, next style.
Actually quicker to gather all the hair by starting from the bottom. Because if she wanted like a low pony, she could do something like that with this method.
Wow, let me find out. Jaelyn got the tricks in the basket. Tricks in the jar. What is it? Wow, I didn't know that.
So now all her hair is in, but the only thing I don't necessarily like about this method is like the band makes it look like she has like a whole rack of dreads, because this one band.
A whole rack of dreads?
But
wow. Oh, sorry. Wow, this gives you like, you know, naturalista.
Puerto Rico.
Wow. All right, so this is the bun. You know, let me show you all angles of the bun. Great. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy these hairstyles. I try to give you a variety of different ones, you know, high up, well, high, low, bun, straight back, you know, a little half over the side. Just try to, you know, switch it up for you guys. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below which one was your favorite hairstyle, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.
J. Go.